All right, we're here at East Lake Country Club for the Tour Championship, and we've got Corey from Bridgestone kind of going to give us a little rundown on some of the differences between the J38 and the new J40 iron line that's out, and then we'll maybe get into a little technical stuff. So
Certainly.
If you want to start off with the differences between the two, that'd be great.
I'd be glad to. The J38 line was a huge success for us, Greg, and we were quite fortunate to have great success with the J38 line. But shipping October 15th will be our new J40 series, which will feature two different iron sets, one cavity back designed for a bit more penetrating ball flight, some more mass behind the club to really flight it down for the better player, and then a dual pocket, which will again be played by Mr. Fred Couples on tour, designed to move discretionary weight to the outside to really minimize the twisting and impact. Both shipping October 15th, and we're really quite excited.
Great. Now, one of the things that we kind of want to get into a little bit might be some of the differences on the grinds that you do. Anything different or special for any of the tour players out here?
Absolutely. You know, with all of our tour players, there's always some custom grinding going on, but with the feedback that we've had from our U.S.-based tour players and even our Japanese-based tour players, we've been able to create some custom grinding, primarily on the cavity back, as you can see here. We actually have a 4-point grind, so we grind in 4 different areas, which would include the heel and the toe. We've also created leading edge relief and trailing edge relief, basically to create more versatility from the club, minimize the digging at impact. When you watch the tour players here on the range, you don't see them taking huge, large divots. They're basically sweeping, maybe small, quick divot and moving forward through the golf ball. And this grind on the cavity back will help create that.
Take care of the pickers and the
Most
diggers.
definitely. For both, you're absolutely right.
Okay. Soft forging material.
1020 mild carbon steel. It's among the softest that's used on the market. We have some other competitors that are using some soft steel, but the 1020 is really as good as it gets. It's a nice clean forging process done overseas in Japan, and it feels incredibly well, so we're quite excited about that. We've been consistent since the J33 line using this soft steel, and it's going to quickly become the standard of the industry.
Now, maybe give us a little insight, if you can, I know without divulging too many secrets, on how Tour Stage is involved in helping Bridgestone with some of the designs. And
Absolutely.
Like that.
Well, as many of the members on the community know, Bridgestone Golf and Tour Stage are intertwined. We're both part of Bridgestone Sports, and we use many of the same R&D techniques. We use many of the same R&D personnel to create lines within each product. So we benefit from the success that we've had overseas with the Tour Stage brand, and many of the features that we incorporate into the J40 line have existed within our Tour Stage line. So it's a huge benefit for us. We're the #1 club manufacturer in Japan, and for us to be able to bring that to the States and available to the U.S. consumer is a huge, huge benefit.
And it's nice that in a field of 30, while Bridgestone isn't the largest, maybe
Not by any means.
You've got 2 players in the field, and one of them in the top 5 with a strong chance, if he continues playing like he has all year.
That's right.
To win that $10 million on top of what is it, 1.4?
Exactly,
Nice
exactly. So would be a nice paycheck. We do have 2 great players in the field, in Matt Kuchar and Brandt Snedeker, both of which are quickly and actively putting the J40 series into play. As many of the community knows, that Brandt Snedeker put the J40 cavity backs into play immediately at the Wyndham Championship. Goes on to play incredibly well during this playoff series. Minimal grinding, minimal customization. It's just been in the bag and go, and we've really truly loved that, and he's been very confident and comfortable with that piece of equipment, so very exciting.
Looks like it the way he's been swinging.
Absolutely.
And maybe a little bit of player feedback.
The feedback's been extremely strong. Just a perfect example would be as easy as the J40 wedges, which has been a smooth transition from the J38 series. Variable bounce technology, very versatile, right in the bag with both guys. So that's been a huge benefit. But from an equipment standpoint, you know, a lot of the guys have been prototyping this product since the early spring, and it's just a simple transition. You know, Matt Kuchar will generally put the cavity back in play immediately following this week's event. He's been pretty true to his game and pretty true to his equipment and staying put until the playoff series is over for obvious reasons, especially with some of the money on the line. But the transition's going to be smooth, especially with somebody like Matt. So he'll go straight to the cavity back.
Now, I noticed you had ball testing here and wedged short game deal for some of the VIPs.
Yes, sir.
we're always looking for the latest, newest information, what's coming out. Maybe if you can give us a hint on balls for next year.
Well, golf balls, we're always working hard to create new product. We're definitely working hard for some 2012 equipment, but as far as product to be determined at this point, it's not yet.
Okay.
But we are actively investigating. We have a 150,000 person database of consumers that have gone through custom golf ball fitting. So we've got a lot of information to look at, whether it's tweaks to current existing models or even revolutionary models that are soon to come. So we're working hard, and we're going to continue to do so to make sure that every consumer has an opportunity to play the right ball.
All right, well, we'll look forward to maybe getting a little sneak peek at some
Absolutely.
of the balls. And Corey, thank you for taking time out of your
Right,
busy
it's a
schedule. Fill us in a little bit, and we look forward to whatever's coming down the pike with Bridgestone in the future. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity.